Hi everyone, welcome to another hair tutorial. For today's hairstyle, I'm really excited for this one because I saw pictures of it on Instagram and I just loved it. I think this hairstyle has a nice combination of pretty but also warrior-like hairstyles, which is what I love. So let's get started. Okay, to start, I've already curled her hair, just some light curls. You don't need very much. And then I've sectioned her hair, one on the top and one near the crown area. Okay, so we're going to start with this bottom section, and you're going to split it into three, and you're going to start doing a 3-strand braid. So you're going to bring the left one over to the right, and that becomes the middle strand. The right one over to the left, and that becomes the middle strand. Now you're back to your left strand, but this time take out a little strand of hair. I'm just going to hold it with my other fingers. So you take a little section out of your left strand, and then you cross the left strand over. So I left this little strand out, but I crossed the left strand over. And then we're going to do the same to the other side. So same as before, take a little strand out. You can just drop it if you want, or you can hold it. And then cross this one over to the left. Okay? And then I'm just going to hold both of these strands together. So now we're back to our left strand. We have our little strand that we left out earlier. And then we have our left strand. You're going to take out a section again. This time you're going to take the one from earlier that we left out. Bring it underneath this new one. And then combine it with our left strand. And then bring it over. Now we're on the right side. So we're going to do the same thing. We have this one that we left out earlier. We're going to bring it underneath, and all I'm doing, I'm holding the two strands and I'm twisting it. And then I'm going to grab it with my other hand, and that's how I'm combining it. So we're essentially just making a 3-strand braid, but it's got loops coming out of the sides. Okay, so I finished this first braid. Okay, I've just clipped it at the end because I want to be able to go back and pull out these loops and be able to do it easily. And I know we did some earlier, and as you can see that it's just kind of been pulled back so it's not as big. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some hairspray on them, just a little bit. It helps to control the flyaways, but also just gives it a smoother look. And then I'm going to pull the little loops out. So once we finish the bottom braid, we're going to work on our top section, and it's going to be really, really easy. You're just going to take your top section, make sure that it comes back here nicely, and we're just going to do a regular 3-strand braid. So nothing fancy, no loops, just a regular 3-strand braid. And you're going to do that all the way down. Braiding it, just go back and pancake it to make it fuller and softer. We're going to take this braid and wrap it around so it's like a flower. And you want it to lay flat, and then we're just going to hide the ends like underneath it. Okay? And you want this flower to lay right here. Like, you don't want it all the way up here. You want it right here, right next to this braid that we made earlier. I think you can wear this hairstyle out on any occasion. I just love the combination of the loop braid plus the flower on top. Both of the braids adds different elements to it. And like the curls just gives it an even softer look. I just love it. And I hope that you guys love this too. Hopefully you've enjoyed this tutorial. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And comment down below on anything that you want me to do a tutorial on, even if it's outside of hair. I would love to see your suggestions, and I'll see you next time. Bye.